Welcome back to another Space GASS video tutorial. This video demonstrates how to achieve scissor action between two intersecting members using master-slave constraints. Begin by creating two separate members that intersect at the center. To join the members, select both members. Right-click, navigate to Member Tools and choose Connect. This command connects the members at their intersection, creating a shared central node. Assign section properties to the members. Next, assign material properties. Apply restraints to the nodes at the bottom of the model. Then apply out-of-plane restraints at the top nodes so that the structure behaves as a two-dimensional frame. Apply node loads to the nodes at the top of the structure. Assign unequal vertical loads of 1 kN and 2 kN respectively. Run a linear static analysis. View the deflected shape and bending moment diagrams. The results show that the members behave as though the junction is fully welded. To introduce scissor action, split the middle node into two separate nodes and apply a master-slave constraint between them. Select one of the members, right-click, navigate to Member Tools, and choose Replace Common Nodes with Constraint Links. Select the Pinned Restraint option. Then select the second member and confirm the selection. This process creates two nodes at the junction connected by a pinned master-slave constraint. Run the linear static analysis again. View the deflected shape and bending moment diagrams. The results now show the scissor action between the two members. To visualize the behavior more clearly, create a filter for a single member.